9 minus 9 gives us 0. Now we do this multiplication 1 over 9 times 9. We can easily cancel this 9 and this 9. So here we have just 1. And 0 divided by 1 is just 0. But this answer is not correct. Because according to the order of operations, first we have to do parentheses, then exponents, then multiplication or division, and then finally addition or subtraction. Remember that multiplication and division have equal priority and we have to work from left to right. And the same applies to addition and subtraction. In this expression, we have one subtraction, one division, and one multiplication. According to the PEMDAS, multiplication and division have a higher priority than subtraction. And also, multiplication and division have equal priority and we have to work from left to right. So, first we have to do this division, then this multiplication, and then finally this subtraction. If we do this subtraction before this multiplication, and if we do this multiplication before this division, it is wrong. So first we have to do this division, 9 divided by 1 over 9. According to the KCF rule, K stands for keep, C stands for change, and F stands for flip. We can write keep the first fraction, change division to multiplication, and flip the second fraction. Okay, so 9 minus 9 times 9 and again times 9. Now we have to do this multiplication or this multiplication. Okay, first this multiplication, 9 times 9 gives us 81. So 9 minus 81 then times 9. Okay, first we have to do this multiplication, 81 times 9. 9 times 1 gives us 9, and 9 times 8 equals 72. So 9 minus 729, and this is equal to negative 720. And this is our final answer to this problem. The correct answer is negative 720.